Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the Capcut Ghost Effect tutorial. So first import your clips and then copy it and then set one of this video as an overlay. Okay, like this. It must be aligned with the first video, and then add a keyframe at the beginning of the overlay video and add another one in the middle. Okay, like this. And then at the second keyframe, go to splice and choose filter. Okay, click on the check icon and then zoom in at the second keyframe to make it bigger, like this. And after that, between the first and second keyframe, go to grabs and choose the ease out one. Click on the check icon and then go to animations, choose out and add a fade out effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the durations interliking. Click on the check icon, and finally this is the ghost effect on Capcut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.